Hi, welcome to the South Carolina Skinny, brought to you by South Carolina Realtors, where we dig into the most recent numbers from our market. In 2019, home prices were up again in most markets. Buyer demand continues to be strong, but with tepid seller activity still in many locations, total sales are lower than they would normally be in a more balanced market. While up from their recent lows a few months ago, mortgage rates end the year close to 0.75% lower than a year ago, helping to improve affordability and offset rising home prices. Pending sales increased 5.2% from 2018 to 91,683 for the year. Closed sales increased 4% from last year to 91,140 for 2019. Sales increased compared to last year, providing a nice close to the year and an encouraging launchpad into 2020. The number of homes for sale was down compared to this time last year. Inventory levels market-wide decreased 3.9% to 27,283 units. More listings and more new home builds are anticipated in 2020, but it remains to be seen if the increases can turn the tide against several years of decline. Prices were up compared to last year at this time. The median sales price increased 7.5% to $215,000. Price increases have been the norm this year, and that is not expected to change in 2020. Buyer demand remains high, and economic indicators that predict buying activity are largely positive. Month supply of inventory was down 7.7% to 3.6 months. Housing supply was lower compared to last year's mark, and more of the same is expected in the foreseeable future. Percent of list price received at sale rose slightly to 97.5% since last year. With low mortgage rates, low unemployment, and continued wage growth, home buyer activity is expected to remain healthy into the new year. New construction has been on the rise in 2019 and is expected to continue into 2020, but many experts note that the country is still not building enough new units to quench demand. It remains to be seen whether existing homeowners will be enticed to sell by higher home prices, which could finally bring the overall housing market into greater balance. That's the South Carolina Skinny for 2019. Have a prosperous 2020.